In this video, I'm going to talk about two power tools. The first one is the Makita Rotary Hammer, and the second one is the Makita Demolition Hammer. So basically, these two tools got lots of difference. So I want to talk about which one you should choose when you need them. So let's talk about the small one. So for this one, it's a rotary hammer. It got two functions. The first one is drill holes. It actually drill and knocking, so it can drill holes in the concrete, in the stones. And also it got the hammer. So the hammer, you can do demolition, you can chip off the concrete, you can remove the tile. So this is the rotary hammer, but the size is small, right? This is the SDS Plus. So the drill bits is smaller, the tool is not that powerful. And let's talk about this tool. This tool is a demolition hammer. It only have one function, is the knocking. Demolition, like the hammer. And this type of tool also have the rotary version. It means that it can also drill holes. This tool using the SDS Max. The drill bit is bigger and it's more powerful. So let's say if you want to demolition a driveway, a sidewalk, the concrete is like 4 inches thick. This is the tool you need. If you just want to remove some tiles, I think this tool is enough. For anything like a major, bigger, like driveway, thick concrete, the 4 inches concrete, using this tool, you're gonna need some time. There's no way that this tool can demolish the 4 inches driveway. All right, let me make a quick summary. If you need to drill holes and you need to demolition the hammer function, you need a rotary hammer. If you don't need to drill holes, you just need to use the hammer function and you just buy the demolition hammer. And the second is the size. So if you're doing some light duty work, go buy the small one. It uses the bits of SDS Plus. If you're doing something major, like a driveway, like sidewalk, or you're doing a lot of demolition work, like up to 4 inches concrete, you need this. It's the SDS Max drill bit. All right, I hope this video is helpful. Thank you for watching.